Welcome back to Austin Challenges, guys, and this video is going to be a little bit interesting and a little bit different because we're going to be going over what is Shopify. Now, this is a little bit different from my normal content, quite a bit different, but we're going to be going over it because I think some people actually do want to know what Spotify is and how you can get started on it and use it for what you need. So, without further ado, guys, let's hop straight into this. Shopify is actually a e-commerce platform where you basically have a creative form of a shop. So you can set up a store. Think of it like an online store where you can sell products or you can sell courses. You could sell anything, right? It's basically your own online store, and of course you can code it in the way to make it look unique to you, and that is pretty much the basis of what Shopify really is. Shopify is a great way to actually build a store and actually build just an overall e-commerce platform for yourself to make some product sales or just overall set up a store, and it's pretty cheap as well. So Shopify, if we come here to the Shopify website, it actually goes from like $25 or something like that. We're going to look at the prices in just a second, but overall Shopify is really great. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the Shopify website. Once you come on here, as you can see, it's trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. So as you can see, there's a ton of businesses that actually run their stores and their shops through Shopify because that is primarily what it is. Now the cool thing about Shopify is you can actually get it for 14 days free without any credit cards. So you can literally just get it 14 days free and don't even have to worry about canceling it because you haven't entered any credit card information. So it's literally just a free trial that you don't even need to sign up for technically. So it's really, really cool, guys. And yeah, they actually have an app where you can see your statistics. So yeah, it's really packed into a small little pocket of the internet. It's really, really cool. Let's check this out here. So it says beautiful themes that are responsive and customizable. So this is when you're going to be setting up your shop. You're going to want to make it look good. You're going to want to make the themes and what people are obviously seeing on your website look really nice. And Shopify makes this really, really easy. You can then go ahead and hire some other designers or whatever to fix up your Shopify store or just make it look perfect, but you do not have to. So right here, guys, it says pricing as low as $29 a month. So yes, guys, the first plan I believe is $29 a month. And so it's really, really cheap because you're probably going to get your money back from your store. And yeah, it just gives you an opportunity to make the money back and overall keep on growing your business. It helps to have a Shopify store instead of going out and buying your own website that's going to cost you thousands of dollars. It literally gives you the chance to do it for $30 a month, which is really great, guys. As you can see, it's trusted by over 1 million users. We already did this, guys, or 1 million businesses, okay? So look, these are all the companies it's partnered with, guys, right here. It's really, really cool. And yeah, this is really honestly the best way I could describe Shopify. It's basically just an e-commerce platform where you can sell products or digital products, anything really. It's just a store. It's a storefront for you to customize it, make it your own shop for your business or just personal use, and sell things. It's as simple as that. Once again, you can get it for 14 days free without even entering any credit card information or nothing, guys. And that is basically what Shopify is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go down below, drop a like and subscribe with notifications on to join the Cookie Squad. And I hope you guys understand what Shopify is now a little bit better. And I hope this video helped you guys out a lot. But anyway, guys, let me know if you need help in the comments down below, and I can definitely help you out there. And yeah, that's pretty much what Shopify is. Go out there, get it. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.